Today, we will show you the most advanced method of how to post on a WordPress website. We will introduce you to an AI WordPress plugin that will write articles for you. You can also insert copyright-free images directly from this plugin, along with powerful tables of contents, any CTA or download button, use case fixer, broken link checker for your website, and many more features. Basically, when a single plugin provides this many features, it will also save your hosting storage. You can easily write a long article like this within just a few minutes. To do this, we need to install a WordPress plugin named Dominopost. You will find this plugin on the Add Plugins page. Just search for Dominopost, then install and activate it. Next, go to the AI Writer page of the Dominopost plugin. If you are a first-time user, you will see a Setup Required notice, which means you need to connect to an AI platform to write articles. Fortunately, this plugin gives us a way to use a free AI model that produces really premium output. Just choose the OpenRouter AI model. Then click on Get API. Sign up on this site and you will see this interface. Create an API key, give it a name, and click on Create. It will then give you an API key. Copy that and paste it into the Dominopost API token box. Choose the NVIDIA AI model, then save it. Now enter the keywords you want to write a blog post on. If you want to give more than one keyword, just put one per line. I gave 2 keywords. Then you will see 2 options. I'm choosing bulk production, which means for the first keyword, it will generate 1 article, and the same for the second keyword. So basically, 2 articles will be generated. If I chose the second option, keyword clustering, then only 1 article would be generated by combining the 2 keywords. It also gives you a custom prompt option. For example, if you want a specific style or any desired tone for the article, you can enter it here. Then move to the right side, keep the SEO-optimized article option enabled. Next, enter your preferred word count and choose Save as Draft. Here, this plugin is offering 3 amazing options that will give your site a professional look: structured schema, key takeaways, CTA button, etc. Just disable the ones you don't want. Then click on Generate Article. This takes about 2 or 3 minutes to generate a completely human-like article. The first one is created. Let's check it out. Here is the title, which is designed well. It gave a good introduction, key takeaways, proper heading styles, and a good CTA button. Now you can just import any image into this post and publish it. This plugin also has a feature for copyright-free image insertion. Just select a place, then click on Dominopost Tools and click on Generate Image. Give the context of what type of image you are looking for. Then choose and import it. You can also add a beautiful table of contents in this article. Just select a place, then click on the Table of Contents button. It will be inserted. You can change the table styles from Dominopost settings with a few clicks. You can insert emojis, professional CTA buttons, and many more features. Just keep exploring the features. You will definitely love it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section. Please subscribe and like this video.